In this video, we will see how to configure the PostePay payment method to allow our customers to pay via PostePay recharge on our e-commerce website. For this tutorial, we have built this very simple demo theme, which also includes a checkout. This way, we can show PostePay appearing as an available payment method during a purchase. If we want to configure PostePay, the first thing we do is go to the sidebar on the left, click on Settings at the bottom and then Sales. Next, we will find Payments, where we need to access the Web Payments tab and then set up all the payment methods available in this section of Framework360. As we can see, among all the available payment methods, there is also the option to activate PostePay. Next, we can enter a description, such as Pay via PostePay Recharge. Then we can enter the account holder's name, the card number. Let's put a random one. And then the tax code, in case it is needed indeed. Let's save. Now we need to check if the PostePay payment method appears along with the other payment methods. In this case, there is only the PayPal option active in the checkout of our site. Let's go into the site, web pages. Let's find our checkout. Okay, as we can see. In fact, by clicking on View, we will see the checkout created by default by Framework360 during the configuration phase. Obviously, there is no product in the cart, so let's go into Checkout. Still under Website Checkout, enter the checkout cashier, and set up all our data. In the end, indeed, we also see that the PayPal and PostePay payment methods are already selected. Let's put a fake product. In the cart, manually select a new product from here, set a fictitious price, click, insert it perfectly, save, and reload the checkout page. And here it will have been forcibly inserted. Let's say a product in this single checkout. We enter an email, continue without registering, randomly fill in all the data. If it's not mandatory, we proceed, as we can see. Indeed, at the end of the checkout, in the payment method, PayPal and PostePay will appear, and by clicking on PostePay, the description we entered in the appropriate section will appear. We also click on Continue Pay via PostePay Recharge, complete the order, and here are the details. In this case, the customer will need to make a PostePay recharge, using the name as the account holder, the surname as the tax code, the one entered, and the card number. Obviously, the PostePay recharge must be done manually, so our customer will need to go to the post office or do it from the postal website to allow us to receive the money. As always, within sales, we will have the sale already created, here it is, with the payment method chosen by the customer, PostePay. When we see that the recharge has been made, we can set the payment status to collected and the order status possibly to processing or to be shipped, completed, etc. We save perfect. As we can see in the customer area, the order will be in processing status and to the customer. Obviously, if we have chosen to send them a notification, an email will indeed be sent with the order summary and the status change. If instead we want to allow the customer to pay directly using their PostePay, on our site we should not select PostePay Recharge, but should select, for example, a payment gateway like Stripe, which does take 1.4%. As a commission, on each transaction, however, it allows us to automatically charge customers with any type of prepaid card, debit card, or credit card directly on our e-commerce website.